morning, dear learners. I am your computer instructor Ashish Swarnakar, and today I will show you some great features in MS Word when we use a table or we create a table, and how we calculate the data or how to we sum the data in MS Word when we create a table. So it is quite interesting if you see very carefully. You want to create a table. If you want to create a table, we just go to the insert button, from where I will click the insert tab, and we can choose how many columns we required. Suppose I want to clear 4 columns. Very good. Now it's a basic table creation in MS Word. Now I have to just give the heading or heading name of my table. Suppose I will give the name selling Jan, selling Feb, sell, okay, not sell, just we give the total. So this is the basic column we can create, and now I will just give the name of the sales employee and some basic sales amount. Then Rahul Das 45,000. Then again Rahul Das in February month sales. Okay, and the last one Sudeep Roy. Okay, he's also 25,000, and again 46,600. Okay, so this is my table where I will create some data. Different name of the 3 different persons, Amit Sen, Rahul Das and Sudeep Roy. They each made a sale in January, this type amount, in February another amount, and we want to find out the total of the each person or salesman, and also want the individual sales. So doing these things, what we have to do, just we have to first design our table so it looks very better. So we can go to the design tab and just click on it, and we have to just select any designs options. So suppose I will just take this one. Okay, now I want to calculate the total, so I must make a heading of total, and now I want to calculate the individual column total. So sale in January, then sale in February, and then find the total. Okay, so you can do it in MS Word in a very different manners. So first thing, I will show both the terms, that how we calculate the sums. If you want to calculate, we all know that we have to go to the layout button, and from layout button we can click on the formula bar, and from formula bar we can just, the function is given here, formula sum above, and it will calculate the result. So I will just show you. Suppose my cursor is here, and if I want to calculate, and just click on the formula bar and just press the OK. The formula is written sum above. Above means it will calculate the addition of this above step. So I will click on sum, and it will be just show me the result. And another and very interesting process is, if you want to calculate your sum without using your formula options from the layout button, what you have to do? See very carefully. Just you have to first press the Control and F9 button. When you press the Control F9 button, it will just display an curly braces in your column header. Then you can use equal to sign. Equal to sign means when you calculate anything, you have to use equal to sign, just like in Excel we can do. After that, what we want to add. So we use the sum keyword, and then again we use the parenthesis or first bracket. And now how we calculate? We all know that when we create a table, it will automatically assign each table as its row and column. So that means this first column will be treated as name, is assigned as A, then sale in January assigned as B column, then sale in February assigned as C column, then total will be assigned as D column. and in the individual name, this one Amit Sen, Rahul Sen, this is called row, so it will assign on 1, then assign on 2, then Sudeep Roy is assigned on 3, and then total is 4. So if I want to sum, so I think it will be my B column, so I can just write B, and after writing B, so if it is first column, sale in January, then 25,000 is my second column, so I am just put the 2, then I use the colon sign just like we use in Excel, then after colon I want to calculate up to 25,000, which is given by Sudeep Roy. So it is, if it is 25,000 is 2, then it is 3, Rahul Das is 3, and Sudeep Roy is 4. So I am just using B4, and now I am closing the bracket again. And what will I do now? Very simple, I am just pressing the F9 from my keyboard, just pressing the F9 button, and look at that. After pressing the F9 button, I will get the total result. So without using layout or formula button, I can easily use the formula and it will calculate the total result. Same I can here, just pressing the control F9, then equal to sign, then writing sum, bracket open. So if it is B column, then it will be a C column, then C2, because sale in February is my first row, so C2 is my second row, so C2, C3, C4. Yes, I am writing C4, sorry, just using the colon sign, then C4, bracket close, and now I am using F9 button. So using this way we can easily calculate our result, same as we can calculate here total and everything. So this is my basic but some exceptional things in table using MS Word, that how we calculate the total of sum using formula from layout button or using the formula with just typing the keywords. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.